Welcome to Slam Technologies. My name is Samuel Boateng, aka Dr. IT. Today I'm going to walk you through a very quick process to install and activate Nessus vulnerability scanner. Without wasting more time, let's get started. You will follow these processes. So, what you are going to be doing is you will download the installation as I have provided to you in your email. It may be 8.0 or it may be more current than it is the installation that we are doing today. And so I have double clicked the folder that I have put this in. Your folder may be different. Check in your download folder. You double click and you begin the process. Next, accept the license and the terms of the agreement. Next, click next again. Now you will see installation. Click install. Now this may take a little while. Now you click yes to accept that you want to perform the installation. And this is the process of installing the Nessus vulnerability scanner. Now this process may take a little bit, but you just hold on to it, and then once it's done, you will see finish. Go ahead and click on finish. Now it's going to open your Windows browser. You are going to connect via SSL. Now you may see detail or you may see advanced. So if you see advanced here, you're going to click on the advanced. And then once you click the advanced, then you will follow the next process. Let's click that. You will scroll down and then you will see another option here. Proceed to the local host. Go ahead and then you are going to click proceed to the local host. Now, whilst it's compiling the plugins, it may take a little moment. Whilst it's doing this, I will be pausing my recording in between so that the time is going to shrink on my end. Now, for here, you are going to request for activation code. Let's move ahead. So what I did was I selected the first one, Nessus Essential. Continue. Type in your first name, email address. I'm going to go ahead and say email. Now activation is going to be sent into my inbox. Let's go into my email. So whilst you are in my email, you will see this email that appeared, which is the first in line. See this particular email. It's giving me the welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and then click on that particular email. And I'm going to scroll down. I will select the activation code. And when I select the activation code, I'm going to go to Nessus. Look at the top here, Nessus vulnerability scanner. So if you look up here, you will see that where I circle. You are going to go ahead and you are going to click on that. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to paste in my activation code. Now let me pause for a moment here. To some people, you may get the activation code on your phone. Some of you, you may get it on your tablet. You can type the code. Make sure you put the hyphen in between. Character doesn't matter, whether it's uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. You can just type it from your phone into the system. those who want to go into their email from their PC, follow what I introduced over here. Let's continue. I'm going to create my username. I call my username Slam and my password. I hit enter and it's submitting. It checks and then setup is now downloading and uploading. I'm going to pause the recording and I'll be right back when it's done downloading and performing all the update that is required. Hold on to this. Now, as you see over here, the compiling plugin is taking a little while. Now, this whole process may take roughly about 30 minutes. Depending on the speed of your computer, some machines will take longer. Others may even be lesser than what I'm giving you. And so if it takes time, just just have more patience and wait for it. It's almost done. And then we will start to log in, and then that will be the installation that I needed from you. Let's wait. So this is what you will see upon completion. What you do is you go ahead and close it, and you can go ahead and then close the Nessus install. That is all I need for you to do now, right? And so to open Nessus again, go to your start button, scroll all the way down. Nessus is provided by Tenable. And so you are going to look into Tenable. And then once you see Tenable, you are going to click the Nessus web client, and that will let you log into it. So this is the Nessus web client. One of the things, what I can tell you is not to forget about the password. Remember your password. And that is everything that I need you to do the installation. Thank you so much. I hope this has been informative to you. And I thank you for joining.